Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So here I am coming up with a new tutorial on modeling, texturing and lighting a modern interior design. So let's get started. So let's go into file, view image file. I have taken up a reference over here. So let's go into this. So I have taken up a reference to model this interior design. So let's get started. So very first of all, I'll just take a plane over here in this way. So go into this AC extended and let's just take a wall. So definitely we'll be focusing or we'll be working with the camera, so we can easily adjust the things out accordingly. So if you see this, so now I'll just set it to 1. Slightly I'll scale this over here. So convert to editable poly, select the vertices, slightly push this up, alright. So we can shuffle it behind if required. So let's just take a box over here. Go into standard, take a box, just create a box. So if you see this view is more of a, in height you will see it is more, width it is less. So we'll be definitely doing the things in that way. So select this, let's just zoom this. Again take a cylinder, let's go to the top view and create a cylinder. So after you create a cylinder over here, select this, convert to editable poly, select the vertices, now increase this height over here. So let's just increase this height, reduce the height segments. So before we increase this height over here, again I'll convert to editable poly, slightly select this, push it inside. Over here let's put some swift loops over here. So select this polygons and let's give a bit of bevel by local normal. So slightly we can just give a bit of bevel, click OK. Again go over here, save the file once. So let's just save it, so that would be much. Okay. So once you have saved this stuff, so let's just put one loop over here. Select this, slightly scale it inside a bit. Again, let's put one swift loop, select the polygons, and let's give slightly a bevel. Scale it. And just after you have done this details, again scale it more, push it down, and let's put one swift loop over here. And now what I can do over here is like, I'll just select this half part, I'll just delete it, and I'll just mirror this. So select this whole thing and let's mirror it, copy it in y-axis and just push this up. So select this stuff and let's attach it with this. Select this and bridge it. Control and backspace, I'll remove the edges slightly. We can just resize this, push this down, select this stuff, push it in this way. And now again, I'll save it once. So definitely we'll be utilizing it accordingly, whatever is required. Now, again, we can put some more loops wherever it is required. And slightly just shuffle it down, push the loops. The same way, slightly just push this up, shuffle the loops. Alright, and slightly just scale a bit. So we can just scale this a bit. Save the file again. So again, let's again take a swift loop over here. Let's start putting some loops over here. So I'm going to add some more segments. Again, go on with the same. So keep on saving it. So slightly, we can just push this down if required. So let's select this edges over here. So select this edges. And let's give a bit of extrude. Slightly push this inside and click OK. So if you see that, you don't need that much of extrusion, but a bit less the same way. Alright. So once you're done with this, I'll just go over here, convert to editable poly. Let's put one loop. Select this polygons. Slightly I'll just extrude a bit in this way. So we can just adjust it accordingly. Okay, I think this looks better now. Over here, so just save your file once, so we can just maintain this accordingly. So I'll just set, okay, we won't set the camera yet, I'll just do it later on. So again, slightly just push this over here. Shuffle it up. So I'll just put one loop over here. I'll push this up till here. So select this polygons as required, and I'll just extrude it over here wherever it is required. So we can just place it till here. So let's again, I'll put one more swift loop. Select this polygons and just extrude it down till here. So now we need to detail some stuff over here if required. So I can just do that. I can again go into this and I can put some loops as required. So let's put some connects over here. Slightly just shuffle it up. Again, go into this edges. Again, give one connect over here. Let's put one more loop. So we can just extrude this out a bit in this way, and let's click OK. So we can do this adjustments in this way. So let's go over here, select this, slightly shuffle this out, select this stuff, adjust it in this way, push this out. Okay. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So I'll just save the file. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.